Alright people, we got another one. How to play Rubik Cube on your Gear S2. So I just discovered this today. And what I'm gonna try and take it on and see how it goes, you know. So as usual, go on your phone, Gear, apps, and download. So there you go, here it is. So boy, anyone that manages to sort this thing out on your ribs or on your watch, man, send the video, man, send me the video, whatever, man. Let us know, post all your comment right down below. If you know the solution to it, let us know. I want to know, we want to know. Other than that, like and subscribe, especially if it's your first time. Subscribe, PLS. We love your hair and we love your support. Well, this is not an easy one. You can see I'm trying there, but nah, you need a lot of concentration. This reminds me back in the days, for those of you that had a chance to knock your head against it. Here we go again. It's all high tech now, new gen. Other than that, people, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Take it easy out there. I'm posting right down below if you manage to do it, right? Peace out. Let's do it. Do it.